సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Diffusion of gases. What is the diffusion? Diffusion means the mass transferred one region to another region. So let us consider this is the material. The mass gets transferred from one place to another place. That is the general diffusion. But here the diffusion is the process by which the mass gets transferred inside a gas from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. That is the diffusion. What is the diffusion? The diffusion is the process by which the mass gets transferred inside a gas from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. That means the mass transferred, the mass means number of molecules have this is the mass. How many molecules are inside the material? So it known as a general mass. That means what is the diffusion? Diffusion means the number of molecules of gas transferred one area to another area, and also one region to another region. Okay, the diffusion is the process by which the mass gets transferred inside a gas from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. That means the diffusion means mass gets transferred means the number of molecules of gas crossing per area. So the diffusion coefficient is denoted by D. The diffusion coefficient D of a gas is defined as the number of molecules of a gas crossing per unit surface area per second. Per means by unit concentration gradient. So what is the diffusion coefficient? The diffusion coefficient D is defined as the number of molecules crossing unit area per second. Per means by 1 second means one value, denominator is the 1, so same value, number of molecules crossing unit area per second per concentration gradient. So what is the coefficient of diffusion? The diffusion coefficient of a gas is defined as the number of molecules of a gas crossing unit area surface area per second unit concentration gradient. So D is denoted by D equals to the diffusion coefficient, number of molecules crossing unit area per second upon concentration gradient. So now we have to find the coefficient, diffusion coefficient of diffusion. Let us consider concentration equals to concentration is denoted by N. Now the gradient, concentration gradient. Concentration gradient equals to dN upon dz, because generally dN upon dy, but here dN upon dz means this is the xy plane. AB is the upper layer of xy, AB. CD is the lower layer of the xy. Then we have take the x and y here. So remaining z is the vertical is the, this is the x, y, this is the z. So this is the z, this is the z, this is the x, this is the y, this is the z. So the concentration gradient generally dn upon dy, but here y here, so z is the vertical direction. So here concentration gradient is the dn upon dz. Here dz is the vertical direction. So dn upon dz is the concentration gradient. This is the xy is the one plane. That concentration is n. Concentration means n number of the number of molecules in unit value, the number of molecules. So this is the concentration, so gradient is the dn upon dz. So AB layer is distance from xy, this is the lambda, this is the mean free path. CD layer is distance from xy, this is the another mean free path, this is the mean free path, this is the mean free path. Upper layer is the AB. So the here upper layer is the AB, then number of molecules, that means the concentration, the number of molecules means the concentration at plane AB is n plus lambda into dn upon dz. In the same procedure, in coefficient of thermal conductivity, in coefficient of viscosity is the same procedure. So this is the concentration at upper layer, this is the concentration at lower layer. So this is also same procedure in the thermal coefficient of thermal conductivity, coefficient of viscosity. So in the upper layer the concentration is the n minus lambda into dn upon dz. Okay, first of all consider the mass of the gas is moving between parallel planes AB to CD. The mass transferred, that is the diffusion, the mass is transferred from AB to CD, CD to AB, vice versa. Okay, the concentration of the gas above xy plane, the concentration of the gas above xy plane is the AB, is greater than that below xy is below CD. So the concentration of AB is greater than concentration of CD. Okay, in order to bring the equilibrium, the molecules of the gas will cross the molecules. Some molecules are transferred from AB to CD. Okay, same as the concentration of the CD layer is receive the molecule. So if the total system is in equilibrium, then the molecules are transferred, cross the plane xy plane. The molecules of the gas will cross the plane xy from AB to CD and vice versa. Okay, so due to thermal agitation, this phenomenon is known as diffusion. What is the diffusion? The molecules are crossing the plane xy from AB to CD. So that means the mass is transferred from one layer to another layer. That is also the molecules are transferred from one layer to another layer. That phenomenon is known as diffusion. Let us consider the concentration is the n, that means the number of molecules crossing some plane is the n. The concentration gradient is dn upon dz. Then the concentration at plane AB is given by n plus lambda into dn upon dz. This is the concentration of above plane. That means the number of molecules crossing at plane xy from AB to CD is the n plus lambda into dn upon dz. Another, the concentration at plane CD is given by n minus lambda into dn upon dz. That means the number of molecules cross plane xy from CD to AB is the n minus lambda into dn upon dz. So the concentration is n plus lambda into dn upon dz through the AB layer to CD layer, but AB layer to CD layer, the number of molecules is probability is the 1 upon 6 into C bar. 1 upon 6 into C bar. Then the total number of molecules crossing xy plane from AB to CD is 1 upon 6 into C bar n plus lambda into dn upon dz. So n plus lambda into dn upon dz is the concentration, that is the number of molecules. So the total number of molecules, we have to find the total number of molecules. The total number of molecules is the probability of the molecules are transferred one area to another area is the 1 upon 6 into 1 upon 6 into C bar. 1 upon 6 into C bar. So then the total number of molecules crossing xy plane from AB to CD is 1 upon 6 into C bar into n plus lambda into dn upon dz. Here lambda is the mean free path. Similarly, the number of total molecules crossing plane xy from CD to this direction, CD to upwards direction is the 1 upon 6 C bar n minus lambda into dn upon dz. The difference between coefficient of thermal conductivity, coefficient of viscosity is different than the diffusion of gases. In this term there is no mass, because here mass is the transferred. So we have to take the 1 upon 6 into C. So the number of total molecules crossing plane xy from AB to downwards direction, this value. So the number of total molecules crossing plane xy from CD to upwards direction, the value is this is the value. Okay, from this is the downwards direction, this is the upwards direction. So this is the greater than this. Okay, so we have to find the net number crossing unit area, net value of crossing unit area per second. That means 1 upon 6 c bar to n plus lambda into dn upon dz minus 1 upon 6 c bar n minus lambda into dn upon dz. This is the net number of molecules crossing unit area per second means 1. That means 1 upon 6 c bar is the common, n plus lambda into dn upon dz minus n minus into minus plus lambda into dn upon dz. Here n are cancelled, remaining is the 1 upon 6 c bar 2 lambda dn upon dz. Further simplification equals to 1 upon 6 c bar into 2 lambda into dn upon dz. That means 2 is in 3 times, so c bar upon 3 into dn upon dz. This is the total number of molecules crossing unit area. Now we have to find the d value is the, already we know that number of molecules crossing unit area per second upon concentration gradient. That means number of molecules crossing unit area per second is this c bar upon 3 dn upon dz. Here on lambda, so lambda upon dn upon dz. Okay, dn upon dz is the cancel, remaining is the 1 upon 3 c bar lambda. So the diffusion coefficient is the d is the 1 upon 3 c bar lambda. So there is no change in, so row upon row there is no change. So the value, this value is can be written as this. So row upon row there is change in that equation. So that equation can be written as, so d equals to 1 upon 3 rho c bar lambda upon rho. This equation can be written as this type. So already we know that this value is equals to eta. This value is equals to eta, coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity eta equals to 1 upon 3 rho c bar lambda. So these two equations are compared. D equals to, this value is the eta upon rho. D, the coefficient of diffusion is the eta upon rho, but experimentally D is proportional to T power 3 upon 2 P inverse. So experimentally D value is this. This is the theoretically D value is the eta upon rho. So experimentally D is proportional to T power 3 upon 2 P inverse. So finally the coefficient of diffusion is directly proportional to T power 3 upon 2. Here T is the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature. So the coefficient of diffusion is inversely proportional to pressure. Because this value is T upon 3 upon 2 P. This is the same equal. So the coefficient of diffusion is directly proportional to T power 3 upon 2. Here T is the absolute temperature. The coefficient of diffusion is inversely proportional to pressure.